I'm Paul Cheney, and I'm with Seed Suppressors. We are a product development company. We have a background in suppressor manufacture dating back to 2007. We sold widely into police departments, SWAT agencies, with very good results. We're bringing our diffuser array technology to the civilian market with the Siege Rock 556 and the 762, and that's what we're here to talk about today. Seed suppressors are different because we have the capacity, with our very unique manufacturing technology, to manufacture complex geometries like our Linear Diffuser Array, which offers very low blowback, self-cleaning design with excellent sound and flash suppression. We can take a wide variety of materials and combine them in ways to enhance the performance of a suppressor. We're taking this technology and making it available to everybody, and we're going to be building these well into the future.